Hello everyone. The trial within a trial of Mngomezulu murder trial is currently taking place in Pretoria High Court. Advocate Mngomezulu, who is representing accused number 1 and 2, is not playing with the state. He's exposing the witnesses that are so incompetent. Sergeant Mokhane is being cross-examined by Advocate Mngomezulu, and it's hectic. Mngomezulu began his line of questioning and put it to the witness that accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, has instructed him that he was called before the week of his arrest, and this person offered employment to him, and he said he is working and he's not looking for a job. The woman he was talking with said she's looking for him, and further asked his address, told him that they are looking for him with regards to Mngomezulu's death. The witness denied that version and said Mokhane would have told him about that. Mngomezulu furthermore said that Ntanzi said he don't know anything about Mngomezulu's death and gave his address to the police officer, Sergeant Mohola. The witness told the court that he's disputing that because Mohola would come and testify. The advocate then asked him that why did he go to Phokeng police station and wanted a backup. The witness said it's a procedure that they normally do, especially if they are not familiar with the place. They do that. Mngomezulu further asked about the warrant of arrest and asked the witness if the warrant of arrest was issued at Phokeng police station. The witness said no. Mngomezulu said why they went to the suspect's place if there was no warrant of arrest was issued, because accused number 2 wasn't even aware that he was going to be arrested on that particular day. He said he didn't know, he wasn't aware, but according to what he just told him, he knew because Mohola told him. Advocate Mngomezulu further asked the witness that since he was part of Nongoma case and they didn't bring the docket to the suspect, how sure he was that Nongoma case had the right information about the accused. The witness said that when you get a docket, you read it and understand it properly, and they were busy at the office. That's why they left the docket. Advocate Mngomezulu wanted to know who was the investigating officer of that case. The witness said it was Gininda. Mngomezulu further put to the witness that when he introduced himself to the accused on the 16th of June, when he was with the late Mabena, he said he's Siyanda Buthelezi and they are looking for him. The witness said that Bongani must just speak the truth and stop lying. Advocate told the court that he has more information on the Nongoma case and said he would like to ask the witness. The state advocate Judge Baloyi objected that, but Judge Rata said he can ask the witness. Advocate made him to confirm in that document that the investigating officer for Nongoma case is Mngomezulu, not Gininda, as he stated earlier. The document further stated that the accused that was charged was accused number 1, QB Buthelezi, and said there's no Bongani Ntanzi that was charged. Judge Baloyi objected that and said they just have the abstract, not the whole docket of Nongoma case, and they don't even know that how many accused that were charged. Mngomezulu maintained his question and said there's no Ntanzi in that document. The witness said it's true. Judge Baloyi requested that they should have the docket of Nongoma case. The advocate further told the witness that he mentioned murder, but it's not reflecting on the abstract document. Judge Rata Mokgatleng, who's presiding over the case, suggested that they should wait for the docket because even Buthelezi might not be the right person on the abstract. Mngomezulu said, let's be genuine to the court. Judge Mokgatleng didn't really like being lectured. Mngomezulu continued and said they didn't bring the docket in the court and they didn't furnish the court with relevant information. So the witness must bring the document to court. The witness said he will arrange it with Brigadier Gininda. He's the one who has it. Mngomezulu also requested him to bring documents that related to drug case and position of the ammunition with regards to Ntanzi, and continued and said on the 16th of June, when they arrested accused number 2, did they explain the 48-hour right to the suspect? He said yes. Mngomezulu said, did you further inform him that if 48 hours falls within a weekend or a whole day, he must be brought to court on the court day? The witness said no, he didn't explain, but read it to him. Mngomezulu further asked him about 48-hour lapse since there was also a holiday. The witness said it lapses on Friday but wasn't sure. Mngomezulu further said that on the 22nd of June 2020, the suspect was supposed to be taken to Ngongoma court, not to Phokeng. The witness said there were so many cases and Ngongoma was very far. Mngomezulu said he's concerned about the 48 hours, not all the cases he's telling him about, because according to the documents, the 48-hour lapsed. The witness said they took him to Vosloorus court. It didn't lapse because Ngongoma was far, and they did take Ntanzi to court, and it was decided that they will focus on the Vosloorus case. The advocate asked the witness to be honest in court because in Phokeng court he wasn't charged with murder and possession of drugs. He was arrested and charged with possession of unlicensed ammunition, and his client is denying that he was brought to court on that day. The witness said he's confused and would like to take a break so that he can study the Phokeng case and Ngongoma case. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.